that enough?
There's little sourpuss.
Are you taking pictures of the cake or me?
I'm taking pictures of the cake, and you too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you. Mommy, light the candles. They can blow them out and make a wish. Come right here, sit down. Sit down now.
Perhaps get into this, Susan.
Stupid, let's get a real ball in here. Shut.
Ball is nothing but rubber and air, Larry.
Make a wish and blow out your candles.
Make your wish.
How many you get?
You didn't have me blow out, did you?
What?
Candles. You didn't have me blow out.
That's hard.